Hello, Broadview family. I am Matt Stiegel, the Executive Director here at the Broadview Park District. And on behalf of our Board of Commissioners and the dedicated staff here at the Broadview Park District, I just want to make you aware of some of our upcoming projects. So our board had approved the repair and replacement of a new roof here at the Schroeder building. As you may know, that roof was in need of repair. It has suffered some damages for many years. It actually needs to be replaced, but it has been replaced. And we also have our maintenance staff working on our current meeting room to do a complete renovation and transformation. There's a lot more to come, so please stay in tune. Continue to watch what we're doing here at the Broadview Park District. And I just want you to know that this production is brought to you by our own marketing staff in conjunction with Spade Gang LLC. Thank you, and see you soon.
Good evening, everyone. My name is James Scott. I'm the facility manager at Broadview Park District, and we're here letting you know we're doing some remodeling in the Schroeder building and the Beverly Center. And we're in the boardroom right now where we're about to start our first project, and I'm introducing Dennis Jamel. He's the carpenter of the buildings of the place, and he's going to show us and explain to you guys what we're about to do. Hey, look, y'all see what I'm working with? This ain't no act. This how they is for real.
Dennis, I'm the lead carpenter here at the Broadview Community Center, and what we're about to do is redecorate the boardroom as well as the rec room here, part of the rec room. We're going to need to open up walls, checking the walls to see if we're going to paint or do something different on it, and we're going to be taking up the carpet to see what kind of condition the floor is in.
I really think the sky is the limit.